How to mint Tomboy Collection NFT on Solana. In this video, we'll show you how. The first thing you'll need is a Phantom wallet. To do that, you'll go to phantom.app and you'll add it to your Chrome browser. You can use Chrome or Brave. So you click add to Chrome, it'll take you to the Chrome web store. I'm using Brave right now. Add to Brave, add extension. And in your extensions, you can click the little extension puzzle piece icon and you can pin it to your dock. So you pin this and you'll see it on top, right there. So now I'm going to create a new wallet. If you have a wallet already, you can recover it with the secret recovery phrase by clicking this, or if you don't and you need a new wallet, you click this. And now it'll give me a 12-word phrase that you'll have to write down. Please store it somewhere safe and never ever give it to anyone. Okay. And this password is just to lock it on your browser. This is not part of the blockchain. This is just for the browser attached to your Chrome extension. Okay. So you can open your Phantom wallet by pressing Option Shift P. Okay, so now your wallet is there. So if I click Option Shift P, that'll open my wallet. Now I have $0 in it. Now to put money in it, you need to go to an exchange like Coinbase or ftx.us and transfer the Solana from there to your wallet. So in your Coinbase account, you'll start by going to Trade on the side, search for Solana, click that, and then you're going to buy Solana. So with Coinbase you can buy straight from your bank. And 05. Okay. Buy now. Okay, now I have 0.05 Solana and I'm going to send it to my Phantom wallet. Click Wallet under Solana, hit send, and go back to your Phantom wallet and copy the address right here. Paste the address to the in the to field. Put a note if you want, and I will send. You're going to be sending the amount of Solana you need to purchase your NFTs. Continue. Okay, so I'm going to be sending $9.11 worth to my Solana wallet. Double check the to and make sure it's everything that's in the Phantom wallet. And hit send. Enter your two-step. Okay, now the Solana will be sent to your wallet. This may take a minute or two, so just keep a lookout for it. Click this, and there you go. It only took a few seconds. I have $9 of Solana in my Phantom wallet. So now that your Phantom wallet has money, you can use the wallet to purchase NFTs. Now head over to tomboycollection.com, connect your wallet, choose Phantom wallet, and enter your password. Now the mint button will be active. When you click mint, you'll get one Tomboy. Approve the transaction and just click it and you'll get a pop-up saying, "Congratulations, you've got a Tomboy." Now you can go into your wallet, and Phantom Wallet will actually show your NFTs in the Collections tab. And check out your Tomboy in your wallet. Looks nice. Get ready, mint day is April 8th.